Welcome to the Crosight Electric Trike Buying Guide. Today, we're comparing two of our most popular models, the 2 and the 2 Pro, so you can quickly figure out which one fits your riding needs best. 2 is an upgraded version of 1, featuring a new Bluetooth-enabled phone mount and a more comfortable seat, and is a great balance of everyday comfort and performance. And the 2 Pro also comes equipped with Bluetooth-enabled phone mount, but delivers stronger power, better stability, and a more premium riding experience. Let's break down the key differences. First, the drive system. The 2 Pro features a rear-wheel drive system with a differential, which makes climbing hills easier and gives you better stability when turning. The 2 use a front-wheel drive system and comes in 2 battery options. The 750W motor paired with a 20Ah battery delivers longer range compared to the 650W motor with a 15Ah battery. Now let's talk about assembly and setup. The 2 require more at-home assembly. The 2 Pro comes about 85% pre-assembled, which saves you time and makes getting started much easier. So which one should you choose? Choose the 2 if you're commuting, running errands, or riding on weekends and want a solid mix of comfort and practicality. It's the sweet spot for most riders. And if you want stronger power, smoother control, and extra stability, especially if you deal with hills or more challenging terrain, the 2 Pro is your best bet. Whether you're looking for practicality, comfort, or more powerful performance, Crosight has a model that fits your lifestyle. Hope this helps you find the perfect trike for your needs.
Cross the wild. See new sights. Crosight.